Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD, British Pound, US Dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 1 hour chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. I have already explained the chart on the video of Euro USD. If you have watched it, then you know the chart pretty well. Okay, so overall we have an upside on the chart of DXY. We have seen a good upside. Okay, but if we just observe the present trend of the DXY US dollar currency index here, then we can see that after some correction, market is consolidating here. We have got two important levels on the chart of DXY, and those are 107.50 on the upside and 106.20 on the downside. So this is the range of DXY right now. So as long as DXY will remain sideways or consolidate in this range, probably we will also see the similar consolidation on Euro USD and GBP USD. But in case if we see DXY US dollar currency index breaking this 106.20 level, then there may be a further downside, and yes, there can be a temporary trend reversal on US dollar currency index, and on the other hand we will see a good upside, good recovery on GBP USD. And if DXY breaks 107.50, then obviously we will get the confirmation that yes, the DXY US dollar is going up again, just like it was going before. Okay, so there will be further pressure on GBP USD. So keep your one eye on DXY. Now let's have a look at the chart of pound dollar GBP USD. Again, I am on the 1 hour chart of GBP USD. Yes, today I am using the 1 hour time frame because if I take you to the 4 hours time frame, you will get confused. Okay, because we do not have much data. Overall the levels are same. Okay, there is no difference on the levels. Okay, just we have a clear picture on the 1 hour time frame. So as I just said, that DXY is consolidating, DXY is trading in a range, so we also have a similar picture on GBP USD here. You can see that the GBP USD is also trading in a range here. After the downtrend on GBP USD, it showed some recovery, and right now it looks like a choppy market. So if you're planning to take any position in this level here, then as I have already suggested on the chart of Euro USD, that you should avoid any buy or sell position in this particular level here, because this is the middle here, and as you can see that we do not have any immediate reliable support or resistance on the market here. So your risk to reward is not in your favor, and a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. So I think the important levels are, first important level is 1.2050, the resistance here, 1.2050 to 1.2060. This is the important resistance for GBP USD here. If market goes up after the market opening, then observe the market around this level. In a sideways market, usually we get trading opportunities on both the side because the number of sellers and buyers are almost equal. So yes, we can expect the market to reverse from here. So if DXY also remains sideways, then obviously we will get a good selling opportunity around 1.205060 level. If we see market struggling around this level, price rejecting from above, then we can take a sell position this level. Okay, and in case DXY breaks 106.20, if we see DXY going down heavily, then we can get a buy opportunity also above this level here. So the market opening will be very important. If the market remains sideways, then we hopefully will get a selling position, and if market acts differently, then yes, things will be different. So let's wait and watch. The next important level for GBP USD is 1.1943. or 1.1940. This level, and the reason is previous small price rejection from below and the presence of Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level here. You can see that we have 23.6%, but after the market opening there may be some gap up gap down opening issue. That's why I will suggest you to avoid the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. But yes, 38.2% retracement level looks reliable here because of the presence of previous price rejection from below. So around this level, okay, I'm using the word around because it can be 1.1940 also, it can be 1.1945 also. So if market comes down to this level here, observe the market. Yes, during this type of a scenario, and especially on Monday when we do not have much volatility in the market, because during the first half of Monday market usually remains less volatile. So under less volatility, you can expect the market to reverse from here. If you see GBPUSD showing price rejection from below, GBPUSD forming hammer kind of a pattern or anything of that sort, will give you the confirmation that yes, it is respecting this level and you can go for a buy position. And in case if it breaks it, then we have another good support around 1.1914 to 1.1900. This is the strongest support on the chart of GBPUSD, because in my experience I have seen that GBPUSD respects Fibonacci 50% retracement very well. And on the same level also we have also previous price rejection from below as well. So if we combine both the factors here, then yes, I think that there is a high chance of market reversing from this level. So these two are the important levels in case GBPUSD starts going down. But yes, keep in mind DXY is also sideways, GBPUSD is also sideways. As long as both the chart remains sideways, we will get trading opportunity on both the sides. And in case one chart DXY if shows a breakout, or if it starts going up again, then obviously you will have to trade accordingly. So whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, because this is my analysis, my opinion. I can be wrong as well. So please protect your hard-earned money. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money, and trade trade with proper lot size and all. Okay, please be careful. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.